What up guys, today is Sunday, February 24th and we are going to work. Just can't think about anything less exciting about it. And especially today is a Sunday after all, for running a whole month. I want to go out playing, take pictures and all that stuff. That being said though, today is a client day that we are going to take someone on site to a real estate project. That was annoying. And let's just get our head onto it. Such a glorious day. Jesus Christ.
Oh, I forgot to update it with you guys. After meeting, I somehow end up on this bed and take an awesome nap. And now it's, I don't even know what time it is. Looks like maybe 4, 5, or 6 o'clock and we're heading for the dinner. But I do feel a little bit extra stress on my shoulder, which I don't understand why. Leave in the comment below, let me know how do you guys think about playing drums using your girlfriend as an instrument. This is look of a monkey.
你好烦。
One thing that I find is actually annoying is how wide this angle is. It's just hard to insulate. It is just hard to isolate the object that you want to put in your main frame. For example, even I'm so big, but I still look such a tiny little spot in this frame. I just want to be the main character of this whole thing. It just sometimes can be a little bit hard with this ultra wide angle. It's actually pretty damn cold outside since the sun's getting really low, and that's a great advantage of using GoPro as your vlogging camera is you'd actually be able to see all of these little shining details. You basically can use this not only as a remote but also a monitor. Super handy. Sony, you see what you made us do when you don't come out with a flip out screen. I don't know if this is just me or it's something common just shared in the community of whoever graduated from the school from the United States of fucking America. Because I know these people who went to Britain for their college is just more proper and legitimately dressed. You heard her. There's something really cute going on in the house that I want to share with you guys. Ta-da! By the way, if you don't know what about these hats is the Pornhub Nation limited edition, not my collaboration. Feel free to buy it. I don't get any commission out of it.
看不看？
So what's our plan?
我们先去吃饭，然后再去看电影。
Jealous, I always wanted to play tennis. Always. She insists to get a package first before we going to the dinner and watching the movie because she thought I was just too tickets inside of it. Apparently she made some terrible mistake and now we have to store it first. These seats are actually massage seats. finished watching. It was a long one for 2 hours, and it's classic style of his, which Stop at a half didn't finish, and it's gonna be years and years until we see the next half. Well, yes, since we have a little bit of time alone in here, this was supposed to be designed as a one-man karaoke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace! Okay, so Nana just told me that she's gonna wake up tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. The reason for she to do so is because she got a little video conference to share her experience of study in ASU, and that's gonna be broadcasted all the way back to Tempe with all of the ASU students and the potential alumni. What a bummer.